This video will show you how to replace the low beam headlamp bulb on a Chrysler Town & Country. This will be accessed from along the back side of your headlamp assembly. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on the replacement of our low beam headlamp bulb. For that, let's make our way inside the engine compartment. Now as we make our way inside the engine compartment, we can see where our high beam bulb is. The low beam's actually tucked inside this area. We'll just carefully reach inside, we'll take hold of the bulb, turn it counterclockwise. Now at this point, we can start disconnecting the electrical connector from the bulb. Along each side of the bulb, you're going to have a locking tab, which is part of the electrical connector. You're just going to go ahead and pull out on those tabs and separate it from the bulb itself. Disconnect the electrical connector. A quick inspection on both ends for corrosion, of course. If you see any on that connector, you're going to have to service that. And there it is, friend. Now, prior to installing any part, of course, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. For this, I'm just using a clean rag. We're making sure that there's no miscellaneous debris or pre-existing gasket from the original bulb. That looks good. Let's continue on with the installation of our brand new low beam bulb. Now, as far as this is concerned, we're going to start with our electrical connector. We're going to align this, press it in, listen for an audible click from each one of the two locking tabs, double check to make sure that's secure. Now we can start getting this in place. Once we have it aligned with the port, we're going to turn it clockwise and make sure it's fully locked in and seated properly. Let's just double check to make sure that's properly secured in place. We don't want it moving around while we're driving down the road. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Now the next thing you want to do is test the functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.